ATA Engineering are an engineering consulting group and a Siemens reseller. We specialize in engineering, test, and design and analysis. And we also a platinum VAR for Siemens, selling all of the Siemens SimCenter portfolio. The most pressing challenges our customers face, I work with a lot of startups, and those normally need to get out of the gate quickly. They need software fast, and they need basically advanced support to help them get going very quickly. And ATA are able to provide all of those things. Our solutions increase efficiencies and reduce cost. Focusing on the startup side of our business, we really help startups get started very quickly by reducing costs out of the gate. Siemens promos really help us do that for low-cost startup fees, and then our support really delivers accelerated deployment and implementation. ATA's area of expertise is primarily in the aerospace and defense industry. And with Siemens tools, we really can focus on advanced applications for physics, for hypersonics, for really all applications in the aerospace sector. We incorporate a lot of new technologies, and specifically with Siemens technology, we embrace the cloud, and we embrace SimCenter X. Some examples of that are Star CCM Plus Cloud HPC, which lets our customers roll out tools into the cloud to really accelerate productivity and scalability. One of our customers was a startup who was working in the space of creating electricity from exhaust gases from a chemical process. And that workflow included a lot of assistance from us, including dialing in the physics of Star CCM Plus, a Siemens tool, coupled with then getting that physics right and then rolling it out to Cloud HPC so they could really scale the efforts. When we look at emerging technologies, we really try and include those in what we offer to customers. And a good example of that is we work a lot with Star CCM Plus for CFD, and we also incorporate that with HEEDS to offer process automation and optimization. And so an example of that might be that a customer wants to model a ship hull, for instance, and the resistance calculation is part of that. And years ago, it would take weeks to do one model of that. But as we progress, now Star can automate that process and really do a single point in hours. And then with HEEDS, we can automate that where we can do tens or hundreds of points in a few days to really evaluate the design space. Anyone considering ATA should consider our services and basically the depth that we have in our company. We're an engineering consulting company. We have expertise in all areas of design, test, and analysis. And with that background, we are really well equipped to support all of our customers using Star CCM Plus software. For upcoming events for ATA, we host monthly webinars for all of the Siemens products we support. So we broadcast those on our website. We also have a really good YouTube channel where all our past webinars are hosted for you to view. And there's a lot of good content on there from the last few years.